Hey guys, my name is Christian. I got a mystery toy box. I did magic! So, Mom, we're opening a mystery toy box.
A mystery toy box? Did Santa bring this?
Yes.
Wow! It says there's 8 amazing toys inside.
8.
8.
Look at the poopy.
The poopy?
Look, the poopy figure.
Ooh, it really does. It says
I think it's emoji poopy.
You think so? I like your hat. Did Santa drop that off too?
Yes.
All right.
Santa.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Shall we jump into this box?
Yes. I gotta open it
Yeah?
because I'm the kid.
Go for it.
Ouch. I think we need a knife. I mess with knife people. And scissors.
So we can get started. Let's see what we shall get first. So should we do this as Christian closes his eyes and reaches in
Yes.
to this mystery box that I can't get into? Yeah, you guys tell me if he peeks.
Ah.
Oh! All right, reach in, bud. Let's see what you got. That's not the box. It's the first one you want. What is that?
It's mine.
Unicorn poo.
Ew.
Unicorn poo.
Ew.
Let's see what unicorn poo smells like. Unicorn poo don't smell so good.
Yeah, it smells like plastic.
It does smell like plastic. That's pretty colors though.
Ew.
Ew. Okay, that's actually pretty decent.
It's like Jello.
It is slimy though.
But it's like Jello.
It's coming out the side. It don't even want to go back in.
It's like Jello.
Jello unicorn poop. Okay, are you ready for the second mystery?
If you make me, if I peek.
Tell me.
Oh, it's so cute.
What is it?
Fuzzy tail.
Okay. But what is that? Oh, what is that? So that must be the Posh Poms?
No, that doesn't have a ring on it.
His name is Harry.
I want to name him Unicorn.
Unicorn?
Yeah.
Very cute. Okay, so he's got the little beanies inside.
That's something good already. Oh!
So it's Amazing Squishy. The Poo Collection. Is everything poop? Let's see which collection of poop.
I'm so excited.
Okay. Already see it. Which one is it?
A koala.
A koala. We got Speedy.
Speedy?
Speedy.
Oh, that's one so Zootopia. Yeah, Zootopia.
Ooh.
It's so squishy.
I like that one. That's your squishy toy.
I
Okay.
just want to play with this.
Okay. You can play with it. Okay, reach in there. What is this?
Oh, that's the unicorn guy.
This is the one that's got
That one.
the keychain. Squeeze me for a surprise. Christian! It's one of those. You got a pooping unicorn.
Let me see.
Shoo! Shoo! This is odd. His eyes. Watch.
Let me try.
That's kind of fun. I like that one.
Yeah.
What else you got in there?
Oh.
No way!
Yeah.
Super squishy balls. I love these. Yay! This is my favorite find. Woo. That's junk. Pause the video.
Okay, guys, that was junk. So
That
cut
was-
that out.
I cannot believe those are usually my favorite fidgets.
And broke.
And it just broke everywhere. All over my carpet's wet, everything. We have 2 more.
Oh,
I'm scared of one of them in here.
okay.
I'm kind of scared.
Don't tell me it's one of those squishy balls.
What you get?
Fidget spinner! Okay.
A bit excited. So cool. That one's kind of nice. That's actually a nice spinner. Okay, nice.
Last one.
Last one. Be scared.
I hope this won't pop. It might be back. It is. Yep.
I'm scared. Careful. Be very careful. Can I tell them what it is?
Yes.
Super squishy ball. This one color changes. Okay, let's see. I'm scared. What is wrong with these balls in these bags? Okay, what? Wait, why? Like, what? Why?
Wait, it's orange.
It is orange, but they're supposed to all come out. Favorite of the group are both broken. They're both just because it's not doing it at all. I'm a bit scared if it does do it. Okay. Well, this one is also broken
And
as the other one, but
we still have more mysteries. Stay tuned.
we do. We have a lot more mystery videos coming up.
And guys, stay tuned.
All right, Christian, out of all those, what was your favorite? Those are your two favorites? Okay, so overall, did you like your mystery box? Was it a yes or a thumbs down?
Yes.
Yeah, thumbs up. Even though we have two that are broken, we did get a unicorn that kind of poops. And a little squishy that bugs our eyes out. Some unicorn poop. And this little animal. It's kind of cute. It's kind of like a little beanie baby.
Teeny baby.
No. Thanks, guys, for watching this video and letting us entertain you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next, and we'll see you in the next.
Bye. Ho, ho. My name is Tristan Santa.
What did you say?
Oh, nothing.